Everyone, in this video I will walk you through a Streamlit app that lets you chat with uploaded PDFs and search the web using Google Search and Gemini. So let's start. As the app is based on Streamlit, we will type Streamlit run app.python. So it will create a local host. Yeah, that's our web page. So we will try to upload a PDF here. We can upload something like wait. Yeah, we can upload anything. Yeah, we can upload this, but we will open PDF also, which we have uploaded. This is the PDF. Okay, see, this app combines PDF questions answering and Google searches in one interface using Streamlit. It uses Google Gemini for smart responses and Google custom search for live web design. So we can upload PDF from here. We can ask question and get answers, and we can search over all the web. So we can ask question, but first we can see a PDF. So filter fundamentals. So we can ask filter fundamentals. Tell me filter fundamentals. Now we will see how it answers. As you can see, the UI is very smooth, and yeah, it has answered. We can match it with our PDF. See, filter fundamentals. As you can see, it's straight to the point. So now we'll go to the code. I will explain you. So when you upload a PDF, the app reads, extracts all the text using the pdfplumber. So this is the pdfplumber. It's a library. Even if the PDF includes math symbol, from this we can find, like, see here how it's written alpha, and it can solve equations. Alpha means it can show equations. So pdfplumber is for that thing. Now coming to the HuggingFace. So now once the PDF are processed, the app creates vector embedding HuggingFace. So this is it. This is the model, and it stores them in FAISS vector database for fast and smart text retrieval. Then now using Gemini AI, it connects Google Gemini Pro model using LangChain wrapper. This allows you to ask natural language questions, and the model retrieves relevant answer from your uploaded PDF. So this is it. Now coming to the Google search. So here the app includes live Google search feature using the custom search API. Just like this, it uses Google search. Like we can search something like, what is passband? Passband. So let it search. So we can get here a real-time search results with clickable links. So we can see, yeah, see, these are clickable links, and we get many types of things. Coming to the code. This is all it about the code. So the interface is built with streamlets, as you know. And that's how this app helps you combine PDF learning with web search in one smart chatbot built using LangChain, Gemini and Streamlit. Thanks.